Hey everyone! Welcome back to Quad Tech. In today's video, we're diving into an essential feature that can significantly boost your PC's security: Secure Boot. If you're looking to protect your system from unauthorized access and malware, enabling Secure Boot is a crucial step you shouldn't overlook. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple process of enabling Secure Boot in Windows 10, step by step. So whether you're a tech novice or just looking to enhance your computer's security, this video is for you. Make sure to stick around until the end, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Let's get started. First, let's check your Secure Boot status. Open the Start menu and type System Information in the search bar. Open the System Information app. In the System Information window, look for the section titled System Summary on the left pane. Now, scroll down in the right pane until you find the entry labeled Secure Boot State. If it says Off, that means Secure Boot is currently disabled. Now, let's enable Secure Boot if it's turned off. Click on the Start menu again and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on Update in Security. Click on Recovery in the left pane. Under the Advanced Startup section, click on Restart Now. This will restart your PC and take you to the advanced options. After the restart, you'll see the Choose an Option screen. Select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now, select UEFI Firmware Settings and click Restart. After restart, enter the BIOS setup. Once you're in the BIOS setup, navigate to the Security tab. Here, click on Secure Boot Configuration. You'll see the option to enable Secure Boot. Go ahead and select that. Next, navigate to the Main tab, then look for the option to save changes and exit. Confirm your selection by clicking Yes when prompted. After your PC restarts, you can repeat the initial steps to check the Secure Boot status again. If it now says On, you've successfully enabled Secure Boot, enhancing your system's security. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips.